Good day, everyone. So, I'll be sharing with you how to uh, create a license for your work, especially for the students, our students that would like their works to be known and published online. So, this is Creative Commons, and you can see them at creativecommons.org. They are allowing sharing of ideas, sharing of media that we can use, and um, you can see here that you can share your work and choose a particular license that you would like to use as a copyright for your work. So I know that some of the students are fond of downloading photos online, anything that they see, but then we always have to make sure as educators that what they are using as part of their works are under a specific copyright license. So the license that Creative Commons is giving is mostly for personal. You can publish your own works and let others know who you are. I'll go click on choose on license. You can see here that they have different license features. So license features that allows adaptations of the work to be shared. If we choose yes, this is Attribution 4.0 International, and this is a free culture license for everyone. But if we click on no, this is not a free culture license. That means to say that we have to make sure that our works are properly licensed by or either a paid license or under a specific provider. Now, one thing that I kept on using is the attribution share alike 4.0. This is a free culture license also, and it allows, so if you're going to click it here, it allows others to use our work as long as, okay, you can read it here. You are free to share, copy, and redistribute the material in any medium or format, and you are also free to adopt, meaning we can remix, transform, and build upon the material for any purpose, even commercially. Now, these are all under the following terms. So, the attribution, you must give appropriate credit, provide a link to the license, and indicate if changes were made. You may do so in any reasonable manner, but not in any way that suggests the licensor endorses you or your use. Now, the share alike here is something that would benefit even our students. If you remix, transform, or build upon the material, you must distribute your contributions under the same license as the original. Also, no additional restrictions for this one, and it's quite easy to use. Let's say, for example, I'd like to use this one as my license for the website. So if I want to use this, I can just click here. You can see it here. You have a web page. Just copy this, and you can use this attribution share alike 4.0 international license. So this is the normal icon. You can also use the compact icon. But in the in the website that I published, this is a simple Google site that I created for other teachers to view and to see. This links to a Facebook page that talks about the videos for YouTube tutorials. And I have here technology tool request for those who have questions when it comes to a particular technology, how to use it, and how to maximize the use of one particular technology. Now, I have here a collection of technology tools that others may use and peruse, but as early as now, um, I do encourage everyone to check this out, but I don't get the credit for everything. The tools presented in the document are crowdsourced, and I don't credit in writing all of them. For those who have suggestions, you may use the contact page to help other educators too. Because if you use the contact page, there is a form there that connects to one of my made forms, and this will help me understand what questions do you have, especially if you want some materials or resources as a supplement for your current classes or for your current subject matter. So I'll go back to the homepage and I'll show you how the Creative Commons license is being attached. So this work is licensed under, and once we click this, this goes to the Creative Commons attribute license. Okay, I'll close, sorry, I clicked it multiple times. And that's it. That's how easy to use the Creative Commons license. And even in YouTube, you can see here that I have published videos under the Creative Commons license. Now I know that You- YouTube has its own license, but I would like to use the Creative Commons attribution because I registered the videos under the education category. So everyone, teachers and students alike, can use the recordings as part of their supplementary work. And that's it. That's how to use. If you want to understand more about licensing and Creative Commons, please go to creativecommons.org. Thank you.